I'm Andrew Ledford. This is myontheroad.net. This is the business site, the business development, web development video site. Today I'm going to be going over a template website that I'm building. I'm building this out. I have several sites I'm building for sale. I wanted to clean up some of the design elements. This is very common that template sites are built this way. So if I was doing this for a client, I would clean these up the way I'm working on them now. If I'm building the site from scratch, I just wouldn't have these design issues in the first place. But we're going to first go over and look at this site. It's Landscape Long Beach. I got this site because a friend wanted to develop a landscaping company. He never came through, so I've been stuck with it for years. Here we go. I'm going to do a little Google Lighthouse report, just real quick report here. See what we have going on. I generally do these with most sites I go to and my own sites, and it kind of gives me an idea of some of the things that I need to work on. It takes a while. It runs through here. Okay, look at this. So we have, the site performance isn't bad. This is on a slow server, so I'm happy with that. The accessibility is really good, 100% for this homepage. I've already worked on it. And then best practices. The SEO needs a little work, but that has mostly to do with links and things that would be changed on a live site. So that would bump up it. It would bump up quite a bit. We're going to close this out. I am going to go to, I think I've worked on most of these. Let's go here to this one. And I want to run a quick test on this one and see what we have. Okay, there we go. 74 again, not bad. Accessibility 96. So that's good, but not great. SEO again is around 92. I want to come down here to accessibility though and see what it says. So it says heading elements are not in sequential descending order, and that's the most common thing when you're using a template. So we are going to come in here and look and see what we have. Oh, only one? That's amazing. So this is a H6 tag, heading tag on this, and it's lawn and garden service. So we are going to, let's just go back here and see where that would be. It's in here. Oh, I bet I get in touch. That's usually an H6. Here we go. It's right here. This needs to be fixed. So we are going to go into our page here. And I do believe that's the contact us. We're going to go in and edit it. So I'm going to come down here, and this is where our problem was. Click on here. You can see it's an H6. I'm going to change that to a paragraph. But to make it stand out a little bit, I do want to make it bold. I think that should do. I'm going to check this too because I'm pretty sure, and it certainly is an H6. We're going to change that. And the green also has a problem with accessibility because there's not enough contrast with the color. So we're going to change the color to white. That's good. We're going to change the size, and we are also going to change this to bold, like so. I do want to check these as well. We will come in here to styles. Usually, I'm not sure what. Okay, here we go. This one. And normal. This is. Here we go. Title settings. And again, these are H5s, which, if they're done properly, it's not a big deal. But when they're used this way, it's just not best to do this. I want this to be capitalized, this to be larger and bold. This one we'll have the exact same problem. So I'm going to change that. Change this to larger text. This one will be the same. Go down to title settings. Change. And I am using Cadence on this. This is my preferred software for WordPress. Preferred theme as well as plugins. So if I was building your site, this is what I would be using, this Cadence. This is a pro theme, so you need to buy a subscription or you need to pay for it if you were to use this site. But it has a lot of useful features. And if you bought this site, it would already be basically set up for you. You could it'd just be a matter of you putting your own content in here. Look, I bet this is an H2. That's an H1. This is an H2. It's okay to have these multiple H2s in here. I just don't like to. I would much prefer having this in H3. Just personal preference. Let's see if it helped. Okay, it updated. We are going to go back and refresh this page. Okay, now I'm going to come back in here again and do the test, evaluation. Okay, so we're a little bit better. We're at 98. Kind of curious why it's not 100. Oh, I missed something. I missed one. Start a new project is the one I missed. And it does this. You have to run it through several times to catch all of them. So we are going to switch back over here. Start a new project. Here we go. This is where our problem is. So this would be nice if... Okay. So you know what I'm going to do is change this to a heading 3 H3 tag. Then I'm going to come down here and change this to an H3 tag as well. That should take care of it. I want to move this up though to large text. That can stay the same. We're going to update. And then I am going to switch back to here. And we will see if this has fixed it, or if there's another problem that I didn't see. Okay, I think that should do it. Now we're going to run this test again. Okay, there we now have 100 ranking of 100 here on the accessibility. Our performance isn't dropped a little bit here from the home page. There are some things I can probably do to work on that. I'm not really as concerned with that right now. The SEO, again, once we get the content in there, the links, and name the links. Once if a client buys this, or if you would buy this and I would put your content in there, it would shoot up. But right now, empty links, and they're not named and they do not go anywhere. And that's why it's a 92 for the SEO. And this is just a laboratory number, test number. It doesn't mean you're going to rank first on Google. It just means that it will be at the standards where what I think of as now table stakes for a website, where it used to be you could get away with having your SEO not good, your accessibility not good, your best practices not good, super slow site. Now you almost have to have that just to even hope to do anything else to get ranking. So that is going to do it for today. Little glimpse into some of the things that I do behind the scenes. You don't even notice it on the front end, but it is very important. I am wishing you the very best in life, the best in websites. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.